In this video, we're taking a look at the Poco Watch. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And you just watched the unboxing of the Poco Watch. This is actually Poco's first smartwatch, so I'm pretty curious to see just what it can do, how good it is, and well, if it's something that I'd like on my wrist. Let's get to it. On to my experiences with the watch thus far. The Poco Watch connects to your phone via Bluetooth through the Mi Fitness app. Yes, the same Mi Fitness app you use for Xiaomi wearables. Setup is quick and painless, and this watch will work with any phone that you can install the Mi Fitness app to. That includes iPhones. So this is what the Mi Fitness app looks like. As you can see, Poco Watch is connected. It shows you the battery. You have your different watch faces here, and then you can get even more online. App notifications, it allows you to sort of mirror your phone notifications, or you can do custom notifications and switch which apps you'd like to get alerts to. You have incoming calls settings, you have background permissions, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, stress monitoring, standing, and you can do continuous monitoring of every minute for heart rate. Under sleep, you can do advanced monitoring, which shows you your REM sleep. Under blood oxygen, you can turn it on during sleep, and that'll add to your sleep data. You have stress monitoring. Let me turn that on. You have standing alerts. You also have apps, your camera. Now, this allows you to control your camera via the watch. You have your different workouts. Now, there are a lot of these workouts. And then you have your widgets, which you can arrange as well. App layout, you can make it into a list, raise to wake, unlock phone, and then other details. On the health side, it shows you your daily stats, and then you have info on your workout. So it gives you week, month, year, and everything in one go. You have heart rate, even your heart rate zones are here. Steps, calories, you have moving data, standing data, blood oxygen, stress, cycles, weight, SpO2, blood pressure, and headphone exposure. If you tap show all, it gives you like all the stuff you can input on the Mi Fitness app. Now again, not all of them necessarily comes from the watch. Like for example, for blood pressure or for cycles, those are stuff you'll have to input. Under workout, you have like, let's say outdoor running, because this watch does have GPS enabled. Walking, treadmill. Ooh, you have Mi treadmill, and by the way, I've been thinking of getting this treadmill, so this is a good sign. And then you have Discover, but they're all in Chinese for some reason. And then we're back to device, and then we're back to profile. Onto the Poco Watch, so you have the stats, press and hold, and it'll allow you to change your wallpaper. This one's pretty cute. Swipe to the right, you get the stats, and this you can adjust really on the app as you saw earlier. Swipe to the left, you get the same apps or widgets. Swipe down, you get notifications from your phone. Swipe up gives you this quick menu, and then this button here, when you press, brings you to the menu. So you have all your different like apps or widgets, whatever you want to call it. For workout, you have your activity log, you have your stats for the day, heart rate, SpO2 tracking, you have sleep data, there is stress levels, you have a breathing timer, cycles, weather, music, the camera widget, you have alarm, timer, stopwatch, a compass. Your notifications are also here, find your phone, and then settings. Now, I really like the size of the screen on this watch. It's basically wide enough but not too big. I have tiny wrists and that screen size doesn't look too big for me. Also, this is a pretty lightweight wearable, so it's not hard to have this on 24/7. It's a very comfortable wear and can even fit smaller wrists. I have mine on the second to the last hole. I love the fact that it comes in white. I feel like that's definitely a hack. As long as a wearable comes in white, it immediately looks way better for me. I just feel like white is a more neutral color, and despite this thing like having silicone straps, it still looks great with outfits, and I mean outfits that are not for working out. Now, I know that some of you are scared of white. I'm scared of white, but I will say that the white on this watch is not like glaring white. It's a type of white that's not so white, so it looks okay even if like it's gone through the motions of life. I have pink hair and this literally stains everything it touches when it's wet, and this did get onto the strap of this watch. Basically what happens when you nap and you have wet hair and you do this. Let me tell you, it wasn't good. I had like a big pink stain over here. At this point I was fully convinced that like I've ruined this watch's strap, but lo and behold, a few days later it sort of just rubbed off. So if any, I feel like that's one true test of how these white straps will fare in everyday life. You can get message alerts from your phone on the Poco Watch, but you can't really reply or answer calls. There's a fun camera remote feature that allows you to take remote photos and use the watch as a shutter. And as you guys saw from the app and phone tour, this thing can track your steps, your calories, your sleep, your standing hours, stress levels, and blood oxygen levels. This thing tracks your exercise and it has an extensive list of different exercise types, including not so common ones like hula hooping, which is cool for me because this is something I've been trying lately. There's built-in GPS for running and outdoor hiking and stuff like that. And you can also change your goals per workout. And for example, for exercises like HIIT, you can add timers and interval pauses, which is pretty useful when you do this type of workout. In terms of battery, Poco claims that this thing will last you 2 weeks or 14 days. Now, I've not had this on my wrist that long, but I will say that ever since I've unboxed it, it hasn't died yet. It's been like a week, so it's looking good. Right, final thoughts. I feel like the Poco Watch is a good first watch. Basically something I can recommend to people looking for a quick alternative to a fitness wearable that they can have on their wrist 24/7 because it looks nice enough. If someone wants something with a bigger screen but something not too clunky. On the spectrum of smartwatches and fitness wearables, I'd say this skews towards the fitness wearable. Covers your fitness basics and more, gives you just enough smart notifications from your phone while being comfy enough to wear and good enough to pair with your outfits. All in all, a watch that I definitely like having on my wrist. That's it for today. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Poco Watch. If you have questions about this thing, comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!